Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to turn a few scraps of felt into a little Christmas house. And don't forget, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I keep on making the videos. Whatever you do, don't throw away your felt scraps. You can use them to turn them into something far prettier, and you may think, oh gosh, what can I do with these? But here's a start. Okay, this is the start of a little house which I'm going to show you how to make, and another one which I made before, and you can also make that one out of felt scraps. Continuing with our little scrappy theme, I've taken a small piece of this green felt, folded it over for the chimney, and then I'm going to cover it with this piece before I sew them together. Next job, I've cut a small square which is going to be for the window. Then I've got another scrap here, and I'm going to measure it on the house base, cut across approximately just above where the window line would be, straighten it off, and that'll be the door. At this point you've got two choices. You can either use fabric glue and just stick them on, which is the quickest, and then put a little button for a door handle, or you can sew them on. I'm going to sew them on. I've pinned them and opened up my piece of felt because I don't want you to be able to see them on that side. So here we are, they're on this side, and I'm going to sew them there and there. This part of the house has been done, and the next thing to do is to slip it inside this and sew around the edges. And I'm going to sew around the edges with this contrasting green to tie in with this. So as you see, every time I'm doing something, I'm trying to tie in with the other scraps. Here we are, our little house is finished, and if you do want to hang it, what I suggest you do is you put some of the embroidery thread through the top, make a loop and tie it, and then it's ready for your Christmas tree, wall hanging, whatever. Enjoy, and remember, like and subscribe.